Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, ISWA. So I am Asif, mathematics teacher, now present before you to learn and solve questions of test paper 5. This is 7th class, chapter number 5, exponents. So students, get ready to learn. Yes, now let's take started. Now we have taken question number 2 of test paper 5. The question second says a group of questions say by what number should be multiplied minus 6 raised to the power minus 1 to obtain a product equal to 9 raised to the power minus 1. Now suppose let us consider the by what number. Suppose if the what number is suppose x be x is multiplied by minus 6 raised to the power minus 1, and to obtain a product as 9 raised to power minus 1. The question says this is according to the question the equation becomes here the by what number should be multiplied, यानी क्वेश्चन से कह रहा है कि इसमें कितना से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए. That means suppose now the supposition is x is multiplied by this number. Now according to the question x is multiplied by minus raised to the power minus 1, and to obtain as a product, because x multiplied by minus 6 raised to power minus 1, this is the as a product equals to as 9 raised to power minus 1. Okay, now find the value of x. Very simple. This is x as it is here, minus 9 raised to power minus 1, and this is divided by minus 6 raised to the power minus 1. Okay, now here 9 raised to power minus 1, this is 1 by 9. Remember, here is the 1, here is the 1 is hidden. Okay, 1 goes to up, minus 9 raised to power minus 1 comes to downwards, means as a denominator with the positive exponent. Here is the minus 1, here is the plus 1, and the plus 1 is always hidden on the top of the number. Okay, now this is, yes, this could be written as similarly, this is, here is the 1. Now 1 by minus 6 raised to the power, yes, plus 1, and the plus 1 is hidden. Okay, now 1 by 9, here 1 by 9 is as it is. Now we change this operations as multiplication. We have to also change this numerator goes to denominator, and this denominator goes to numerator. Here minus 6 divided by 1. Okay, now this is, yes, 3 2 ja 6, and this is 3 3 ja 9. Okay, that means here the minus 2, here is the 3. This is your final answer. I hope you will get. Now friend 6, now question number 6 says, and we have solved this type of questions in the previous exercise. So friends, question number 6 says 2 raised to power n minus 7 multiplied by 5 raised to power n minus 4 is equal to 1250. Find the value of n. Here the n. Now how to solve this question? First of all, we have to arrange this and to find this huge number 1250 as a factorize. First of all, now we have to factorize. Here 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. That means how many times? 4 times. Okay, this could be written as 2 multiplied by 4 times 5, and 4 times 5 could be written as 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, that means 1250 could be written as 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power 4. Have a look here. Okay, now we have to set this 2 raised to power n plus 1 as a same base like the as a same exponent. Here is the exponent n minus 4, here is the exponent n minus 7. Now these are the different exponent. Okay, now we are going to make as a equal exponent, as this could be written as 2 raised to power n minus 4 multiplied by 2 raised to power minus 3. Why? Because here is the base same. When the base are same, write the single base and add their exponents. Exponents n minus 4, and they add their exponent minus 3. This could this becomes n minus 7, means the same, these values and these values are the same. Okay, there is no effect. Now then this is right as it is, n minus 4, and this becomes yes 1 by 2 raised to power 3. Why? Because here is any number is written. Suppose x raised to power minus 2 is written, that means here this could be written as 1 by x raised to power plus 2. Okay, or either this could be written as, suppose 2 raised to power n minus 4 as it is. Okay, now this multiply this 1 by 2 raised to power 8, 1 by 2 raised to power 3, sorry, plus 3, and multiply by 5 raised to power n minus 4 as it is. Okay, is equal to 2 multiply by 5 raised to power 4. Okay, now here have a look, this is all the numerators. Now 2 raised to power n minus 4 multiply by 5 raised to power n minus 4, and this divided by 2 raised to power 3. Okay, here as it is 2 multiply 5 raised to power 4. Now cross multiplication is here. Here is the 1 multiply by this is as it is 2 raised to power n minus 4 multiply by 5 raised to power n minus 4, and this is equal to 2 is as it is multiply by 5 raised to power 4 as it is. Now this is cross multiplication 2 raised to power 3. Okay, now see friends, from here, now these are the different bases but the same exponent. When the exponent are same and exponent are same and the base are different, now multiply base multiply by base and write down the single exponent. Okay, this means 2 multiply by 5. Why? Because the bases are different but the exponent same. Here the single exponent and we have to multiply their base. Okay, base into base, and this becomes, yes, this could be written as here 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 1 and 2 raised to power 3, means here the base are same, then we have to add their exponent as write the single base, and 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to power 4, could be written as 2 raised to power 4. Okay, 2 raised to the power 4, this is multiplied by here 5 raised to power 4 as it is. Now this could be written as here the different bases. Now the exponent same, multiply their bases and write the single power. Okay, now this left hand side is equal to 10, 5 to the 10 raised to the power n minus 4. Okay, now here implied that 10 raised to power n minus 4, and the right hand side 5 to the 10 raised to power, okay, here 4. Now have a look, here is the base same base has 10. Now we have to equate their exponent. So n is equal to, this is 4 as it is, now brings to right hand side with the positive sign, plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8, n is equal to 8. This is your final answer. Now friends, see the last question, very interesting question, question D group question. Question number 14 says write T for true and F for false for each of the following. Now we have taken sub question 5 of question number 14. Now if 5 raised to power minus 1 multiply by x is equal to x raised to the power minus 1, then x is equal to 8 by 5. Now we have to check, then reply, is it right or wrong? Is it T or is it 4? F. Okay, now because some of the candidates that I found, now we can, the students see the last page of the answer and then tick mark T or F, so it's wrong. Don't do so. Okay friends, now we have to find the values of x. There are two ways to find out the values, is it is true or false. First we have to write the value of x instead of x left hand side and see the left hand side is equal to right hand side. If the left hand side is equal to right hand side, then this is okay, means true, otherwise wrong. Okay, false. Now have a look, or either we can find the value of x as the previous knowledge. Then if the value of x is as x by 5, then this is T, means this is true. Okay, now see, suppose L, now the Find the value of x. Suppose x as it is, write the x as it is equal to x raised to power minus 1, and this 5 raised to the power minus 1, yes, brings as the division 5 raised to power minus 1, because here is the multiplication. If we bring the right hand side, now is it as divided, this minus 8 raised to power minus 1 is divided by 5 raised to power minus 1. Yes, this could be written as 1 by 8. Friends, remember here is the 1 is hidden, so 1 goes up and 8 raised to power minus 1 downward. This is as plus 1 as exponent. Okay, now plus 1 is always hidden. Now here the division, this is once again as it is 5 raised to power 1 by 5 and plus 1 is hidden. Okay, now this is 1 by 8 as it is. Now change this operation as multiplication. Now we have to find the reciprocal of this is 5 by 1. If we change this operation, then we have to change this. Okay, now here is the 5 1 5, numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. Now match, yes, 5 by 8, here the answer is 5 by 8, but the answer is 8 by 8, so this is wrong, means false. If okay, I hope you will understand. Now your homework, friends, test paper question number 1 to 14. Okay, have a nice day.